Ooh, hey guys, it's Ron from Ron TV, and today we're gonna be opening this fidget spinner. Oh, let's just go right into it. So first of all, it's not called fidget spinner. It's called hand spinner, and it says hand spinner in the back. It says work, class, and home. So I just want to open this up. There's more. There's like these red and white ones. There's a ton white. There's a green one, blue one. I just want to open this up. I want to get my own. A lot of people have these. I'm like the only one that's been left out. I could have bought more, but I don't really know how to spin it. My main problem. I'm watching some YouTube channels about it, and some say like that. Some say like, especially my friend's channel. He shows you how to spin it. I just spin it like that. Oh, look at that. Tickles. Guys, I'm probably sick a little. My voice changed and my nose is full. Yeah. So I was just basically trying to show you that I bought a fidget spinner. I have no internet, so I'm probably gonna be posting this. I had no internet yesterday, so I'm probably gonna be posting this like tomorrow or on Monday, probably. Probably Monday. But yeah, I was just trying to show you that. Oh, what am I doing? Look at this. I just love it. I can't spin it no more. There you go. I don't know, guys. I don't know why are these so why are these so popular now? Like whenever I watched a video, the next day later, a lot of people got these. I'm guessing this is not a fidget spinner actually. This is called a hand spinner. Not that heavy. They're pretty big. Bigger than my hand actually. Bigger than my hand. A littler than my hand actually. What am I talking about? Guys, this was just about, y'all can't see me. I just got back from the market and I was looking for my tablet and I'm charging my tablet. So guys, I was just doing this fidget spinner. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and I'll see you next time. Peace. Wait. I can't. I just do like that.